BESCO Overseas After Sale Service Team is installing a electric junction box machine line in Africa country. This production line is used to produce 3-inch by 3-inch junction boxes and 3-inch by 6-inch junction boxes. With a box height of 35 millimeters and a thickness range of 0.9 millimeters to 1.1 millimeters. The production line requires automatic addition of adjustable lug and brass earth terminals in the mold, as well as automatic tapping. The entire line consists of a coil decoiler, a coil straightening machine, a servo feeder, a 160-ton double-crank pneumatic punch press, and a progressive stamping mold. We can produce 35 to 45 boxes per minute. The entire line can be operated by one worker, which is stable and efficient. Please feel free to inquire.